I was not able to wake up this morning. I felt really sick when my alarm went off at 5:30. And I just decided that it was better for my body to just sleep in a little bit longer. Anyways, I'm going to work for another like 40 minutes, try to finish up this thing I'm working on right now, and then I'm going to do some chores around the house and go run some errands. So I just thought I would take you guys along with me on this little productive day in my life. I'm gonna make the best of it and get some stuff done. A cold front came through last night, so it's actually about 45 degrees today instead of 80, so that's really nice. So I'm happy about that. I'm wearing my nice long sleeve, and yeah, so I'm gonna go put some laundry in really quick and then get back to work for another 45 minutes so I can go leave and run my errands after. She is just loving this cold weather, sitting here at the window. Hi, pups. What do you see, Bella? Hello again. I need to put this away. Alrighty, so I ended up working a lot more than I planned to. I just kind of got really into what I was doing, and I thought, well, why not? I might as well just continue working. So it is about 2:30 right now. I need to go flip my laundry, put another load in of my darks this time. Then I'm going to do some dishes. But honestly, I have all this stuff in my head right now, and I kind of just want to like write it down. So I'm gonna make a quick to-do list. How this just landed. What if that was my toe? Or boba? That's really sad. Let's try that again. Oh, I should pick it up. Oh my gosh, it was stuck in the ground. up, so it's all good now. My only problem is this stupid ulcer or cold sore. I don't know what it is, but it hurts so bad. So I tried to put like a tiny bit of pink lipstick over it. That was like this really soft lipstick. That was a super soft. I give up. But you can definitely still see it because it's like pretty yellowy, but that's okay. I'm gonna put some Aquaphor on it too because I really don't want to irritate it, but like I don't know why I chose to do all my errands today whenever I got this huge ulcer on my face, but I'm gonna make the most of it and just get done when I have to get done and not care about anyone else. So I'm just gonna get dressed now and then we'll be ready to go. So next stop will be Whole Foods to drop off my return, and then I think I'm gonna run and get a snack because I'm so hungry and I shouldn't have left the house hungry when I need to run errands. That was just really stupid, but too late now, so oh well. That just opened. It's so cute. Do you see the little painted stuff? It says they have vegan ice cream and beer floats. Like what? I have to try that place. I'm definitely gonna tell Cindy that we have to go there. I didn't get a clip because there was like 20,000 people in there, but I found a really cute pair of lavender heels that are like low heels, and I'm like obsessed with them. So I put them on hold because I'm gonna wait for them to finish going through my clothes, and once they're done I'm gonna come back and pick up my clothes and then buy the heels with any credit that they gave me. So hopefully they give me at least $9 because they were $9. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Taco Bell now and then go to Walmart and pick up a couple things, and then I will be ready to go. Oh, okay, no, you go ahead. Okay, sorry, guy was cutting me off. All right, bye. So I really couldn't help myself. Then I got Taco Bell. I got the spicy potato soft taco because it's so good. And I was supposed to bring Cindy Krispy Kreme before she had to go to dance practice, but she changed her mind. So I'm right by the Asian market here. And I'm gonna run in and buy me and Cindy some of these peach jasmine teas they have that taste literally so good. But there's like a $5 minimum, so I'm probably gonna have to buy like, I don't know, 4 of them or something, but don't really care. So I'm just gonna eat my taco. So good. I have to wait like another hour before I can pick up my stuff back from flashbacks. So, kind of just dilly-dallying around. Gonna eat my food, go get these teas,
probably go to Walmart and get a couple things I need and then call and see if my stuff is ready, and hopefully it's just already ready. Otherwise I'm gonna have to wait around like a lot longer.
Thank you. You got your ID, yeah?
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
I just got back from everywhere. So Flashbacks gave me $28, so I ended up picking up these shoes that I had found there that I was telling you guys about. I think they're from Target, and they're like lavender, and I'm just like obsessed with them. They're so cute. Yeah, I got these for $9, so after the 28, I got like $18 back after like taxes and stuff. So I'm really happy with that. I also went to the Asian market and I got a royal milk tea. Boba. I got like a little can of milk tea, but I already drank that in the car when I got my Taco Bell, or after my Taco Bell. I got this peach oolong tea because they didn't have the peach jasmine tea I was planning on getting. And then I got a lychee aloe. Bubby, watch out. I got a kiwi aloe and a lychee aloe. And then I just got these stir fry noodles because I'm craving stir fry noodles and I didn't want to get the whole pack of like 6 for like $1 million. Oh, and then I got this really cute drink. It's like a coconut milk drink, so non-dairy, and it's like melon flavor. Like looks like it's like a honeydew milk tea. So, and there's like little jellies in it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, look. Did you guys see that? She carried the bag. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this stuff away and then clean up a little bit. And then Oliver's gonna come over and hang out, I think. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'll probably put something a little bit more comfortable on. But that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. So yeah.